As Yogi Berra said, you can observe a lot by watching. I couldn't say it better. Bob and I have observed such beauty and giftedness and enjoyed the goodwill of so many every January 1st for over 3 decades. I can only feel thankful. And frankly, I'm eager now to see others have this unique broadcasting opportunity. We have kept the seats warm and broken in for Mark and Lisa, and we'll be rooting for them. Now, this year's theme, Find Your Adventure, is a great one for us. We're moving on to new adventures ourselves. But this adventure, spending every New Year's Rose Parade together with friends around the world, this would be hard to top. We're not even going to try. You know, 40 years ago, I came to Southern California hoping to work here. And my first landing spot was a small apartment several blocks from this very spot. Pasadena has felt it will always feel like home to me. It's been a joy to start all these years with you. Thank you for your friendship, and I'll continue to send you my loving best wishes for happy and blessed years to come.
Well said. Really well said. That's great stuff. Well, we've done it. For me, it's been 38 years that I've had the pleasure and honor of covering what I think is the most beautiful New Year's presentation in the world. I started for 2 years with Barbara Feldon, Agent 99 on Get Smart, and then 1 year with Jane Kennedy, and then this lovely redhead Stephanie Edwards came aboard. I have such respect for the people who prepare for this parade also, the float builders, the bands that fly in from all over the country, and the equestrian units that make this the most beautiful parade in the world. So, after 38 years, Stephanie and I have decided to step down. My special thanks goes out to Joe Quasarano and Jenny O'Hagan and the entire crew here at KTLA that make this parade so successful. I would also like to take this opportunity, and I mean this, to thank the millions of viewers who have been our partners in presenting the Rose Parade in Pasadena every New Year's Day. I truly believe that the selection of Mark and Lisa is an absolutely perfect choice, and I know that they will carry on the tradition of making this parade an event to remember. So once again, thanks to everybody, and thanks to my family, my son Trace, my daughter Teresa, my son Corey, and my little buddy, my son Noah. And especially to my beautiful wife, Deborah, who has put up with so much during the New Year's time. God bless you, and we'll see you all again.
And
Happy New Year.